Have you ever wondered why time always seems to move forward? Why can we remember the past, but not the future? And what if I told you that the laws of physics say time could flow in either direction, forward or backward? In today's video, we're diving into one of the most fascinating questions in science. Why does time flow in only one direction? And we'll explore what might really be going on beneath the ticking of our clocks. Here's the first mind-bending fact. In the world of physics, the basic laws, whether it's Newton's, Einstein's, or quantum mechanics, don't care if time goes forward or backward. They work the same either way. This symmetry means that if you could reverse time, the equations would still hold. So, if the laws of physics don't force time to move forward, why do we experience it that way? That's where things get interesting. The most widely accepted explanation lies in a concept called the arrow of time, which is closely tied to entropy, a measure of disorder in a system. Imagine cracking an egg. Once broken, the egg can't return to its perfect state, at least not on its own. This idea comes from the second law of thermodynamics, which says that in a closed system, entropy, or disorder, tends to increase over time. In other words, things fall apart, not the other way around. This increase in entropy gives time its direction. So according to the arrow of time, the reason we experience time moving forward is that the universe started in a low entropy state, very ordered, and has been becoming more disordered ever since. That's why we remember the past, which was more orderly, and not the future, which hasn't become disordered yet. Think of it like this. A shuffled deck of cards looks random, but you can always remember when it was neat and ordered. Time flows forward as things move from order to disorder. But here's a mystery. If time flows forward because entropy increases, where did all this low entropy at the beginning of the universe come from? In fact, what even happened before the Big Bang? We don't know. Some theories suggest that our universe could be part of a cycle of expansion and contraction, where time could run in both directions. Now here's another twist. Time might not even exist in the way we think. Some physicists argue that time is just a human perception, a way our brain organizes experiences. Without memory, would time exist as we know it? Think about dreams where time feels jumbled, or moments when time flies or drags. It's all about how our brain processes it. And things get even weirder with Einstein's theory of relativity. Time isn't absolute, it changes based on your speed and gravity. Near a black hole, time slows down drastically. In fact, time could stand still at the edge of a black hole's event horizon. If time is flexible, what does forward even mean? Now let's entertain a wild idea. What if time could run backward? Some physicists think that in certain parts of the universe, or in alternate dimensions, time might flow in reverse. But for us, here and now, we seem stuck in a single direction. So, what do we really know about time? Not much, honestly. We understand how time behaves in the universe, but we don't fully know what time is or why it flows forward at all. Is it just entropy, a human construct, or part of some deeper reality we can't yet comprehend? In the end, time is one of those mysteries that reminds us how much we still have to learn. The more we study it, the more questions we uncover. Will science ever give us a definitive answer, or will time always remain one step ahead? Thanks for joining me on this time-bending journey. If this video made you think, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos that explore the mysteries of the universe. Until next time, whatever that means, take care.